Hey everybody, it's your girl Makeupbyjalesse, and I'm here to collaborate with LuvMe Hair again on this beautiful unit. So let's not wait. Let's just get right into it. So LuvMe sent me their 22-inch natural black Bohemia 5x5 closure wig. Let's get into the unboxing. So of course they always send really good little goodies and trinkets and stuff for, you know, us girls because, they always keep us straight. And of course, the little cue card and all that kind of good information of how you can order and shop online. She was cute. I was feeling her. She was beautiful. The model was beautiful. But this is the wig. This is her. This is she. And yeah, I am already in love. She was very, very, very soft, fluffy, felt like real human hair, y'all. Real human hair. So this is the closure. The lace was perfect. You guys are gonna see a little bit later that I did not have to barely put any makeup, in which I did do. But yeah. So of course it comes with a few combs, an adjustable strap, and the elastic band, which your hair is going to be snug. Now I did realize that this is actually a glueless, so the wig fit pretty good. It didn't really need a lot of adjusting or nothing like that. But as you can see, the blending. It is blending, okay? It's giving what it's supposed to give. So we are here for it. It's pre-plucked already. That's what they said in the details. But yeah, I'm going to probably go in and pluck it a little bit more just to make it, a little more natural. So this is her. I am absolutely in love with this. Like, I can literally just go with the hair. It's so soft, like, you guys, so soft. I couldn't believe it. I kept playing I kept playing in it before I even installed it because I'm like, bomb. So I'm just showing you the parting, just how deep the parting is. You can actually do a side part as well, but we're going to stick to the middle part. So what I'm doing, I'm just going and just touching up the roots of the wig. I just wanted to lay her flat and not have her all big and bulky in the front. So I pulled my wig down, y'all, a little bit more because I'm apparently, y'all been on my TikToks and Instagram saying I need to pull my wigs down more. But I'm just trying to figure out because I got a 5 head. So I don't know how farther you guys want me to pull these wigs down because I don't want to look like the wig is just sitting on the top of my head. So I got to match my hairline. But apparently y'all be like, oh, pull the wig down. So I pulled it down a little bit more, but that's all I'm going to do because y'all not about to have me looking crazy, okay? Y'all not about to have me looking like, what's the Samaria from The Ring? No, we not about to do that. This is gonna be realistic. Like, be for real. But anyways, like I said, she is glueless, but I am going in because I want to wear this wig for a few minutes and I don't want to take it off right away. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put a little bit of hairspray just to tack it down. You don't even really need it because it is glueless. So it's going to blend perfectly whether you have it or not. But if I'm going to wear it, or if you're going to wear it for a few hours, then go ahead and just do your glue or your hairspray, which that's what I'm doing. So again, I just love how the lace blends. It is very transparent and HD. And I loved how it was like kind of tinted to my skin. Like, I was really shocked that it was actually like a brownish tint to it. So like I said, I didn't really have to do much and it laid perfectly. You guys, when I tell you this wig is everything, it is everything. Hardly any shedding. It started shedding when I did this, but of course I'm plucking the hair, so of course some hair is going to come out. But other than that, I was combing out. It was perfectly fine. Left minimal share. I would say minimal. I wouldn't say completely not shedding, but it was only a little bit. So I'm just plucking the lace. Just poking the closure just a little bit, just so it could just be a little more natural. I should have did a little bit better, but you know me, if you've been watching my channel, I am not a good plucker. I pluck the best way I can, and that's the result you're gonna get. So I'm just cutting the lace. As you can see, it is blending in, and I'm just gonna go back in after I'm done cutting the lace, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little more hairspray just to tack it down because it was popping up. I guess I didn't put enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this lace was like cutting, y'all. Like, it got the job done. It was not no harsh cutting. It was just like that comb was just, I mean, that those scissors was just gliding through that lace. So again, I'm just tacking down. Oh, I cannot talk right now. So again, I'm just tacking down the little parts that was sticking up with some hairspray just to lay it flat. And as you can see, the blend. Can we get into this blend? How flawless it is. It's so natural. But anyway, so I'm just tacking. I'm just putting a little bit of makeup on some of the spots that I noticed that were a little bit lighter. And that is pretty much it. She is done. She was a 5-minute install. Look how beautiful the body, the curls, the waves are. Bohemia curls. Beautiful. So what I decided, I was going to wet it just to see what it looked like wet. Just to see the type of curl pattern that this wig can produce. And as you can see, I'm just putting water and the curls are popping. The curls are giving Bohemia. They're giving life. I don't know. But they are giving, okay? And it was just water. I just put water. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little gel, a little oil and stuff on the hair just so I can see how defined the curls will be and what type of curl pattern this really is. So we know it's Bohemian by the title. But I just wanted to go ahead and see what it looked like curly, and that's what it looks like. And either way, you can rock it and you will look bomb. You will really like it. And I'm trying to figure out which way I like it. I like it wet. I really do like it wet because big hair don't care is just not really giving for me anymore. So as you can see, I did wet the hair just to see the curl pattern as you guys saw. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of diffuse. I lost my diffuser, so do not laugh at me for doing this. I'm just going to just blow dry it just so I can dry it up so it can fluff out again, so you guys can see once it's wet and it dries how fluffy it is, and it goes right back to kind of that first look that you saw at the beginning of the video, which I love. So again, just blow drying the hair and flipping and flopping it. It was just gorgeous, y'all. It was gorgeous. This is the perfect wig for your vacation. The year just started, but vacations are coming soon. You will definitely want to get this unit. It was very easy to install. This is beginner friendly, you guys. Not much work needs to be done, and we love it because if you are trying to save your coins and do your hair yourself, these 5x5 closures are the best route. And I'm being totally honest because I'm a person that's not really, great at applying wigs like that. But this is her. This is she. I'm gonna name her Gabriella because I feel like she looks like a Gabriella. Look like my name's Gabriella with this hair. So anyways, this is it, you guys. This is the final look. She is beautiful. She is long. She is waving. She is giving bohemia. Everything. I loved everything about this wig. Big head friendly and, medium head friendly. Whatever type of hair you have, use my code Jalesse to get a discount on your purchase. And I decided to do a little hairstyle for you guys. It's giving princess vibe. I like a princess in the Garden of Eden. Like, I don't know. I just feel like princessy. I feel Rapunzel. I don't know. So I just did these little 2 braids. And just to show you guys a little different style, different little look with it. So that is all, you guys. Details will be in the description box. Thanks for watching.